Hi, I'm Ria Indoy Salarga, a graduate student at Naranal High School of Asuncion. My philosophy in life is to travel and explore because every journey helps us learn about the world and ourselves. I believe that life is too short to stay in one place. By experiencing different places, we not only learn about the world, but we also discover more about ourselves. Just like the Filipino saying, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinagmulan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. It means if we forget where we came from, we won't know where we're going. But traveling, exploring new places, give us a better understanding of who we are and where we truly belong. Soon, I dream of visiting new places, meeting new people, and embracing different cultures. Because life is all about growing, learning, and seeing the world. That is my journey, exploring not just new places, but also new perspectives.